My name is Stephen Barlow. I'm from the UK, but I've been living in the UAE since 2010. I realized that my wife told me that I had a problem snoring. It's called sleep apnea, I think, and it actually leads to reduced oxygen going to your brain. I was using something called a CPAP, which is an electronic breathing type of equipment to help me sleep. And therefore, we've been looking for new solutions. And then I was referred by a doctor in Abu Dhabi. He said Dr. Ahmed, who is introducing a new technology. He is sort of, in inverted commas, the best person for this new type of technology. And so far, the care that I've had has been tremendous. Everything I've been told so far is working, from my perspective, very well. Clear explanations. And I truly believe that it's going to be something that's going to help the quality of my life.